Keep an eye out, researchers. Our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, camelopardalis.
That's got no name because they look like a cross between.
Research, field surveys, and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the bush and can grow as tall as 6 meters. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Whoa! That's as fast as a truck.
Leaves.
They also sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's because they spend all day.
The end of their tongues are also a darkish black colour due to the melanin that acts as a sort of sunscreen and prevents their tongues getting sunburned. The reserve is now home to a family of scimitar-horned oryx.
They're beautiful.
The most distinguishing feature of these during the early colonisation of South Africa.
Look, a pigeon.
They were hunted for skin
Oh
and
my
meat.
god, it's a pigeon! Oh my god,
Hopefully
I've
you'll
never
soon
seen
be
that
seeing
before.
some more magnificent beasts.
And a magpie.
What's that? Rhino!
The rhino around the reserve are white rhino. Now you may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung. Yes, male rhino mark out their territory and pass
Like
their dung.
that, but the other one's
Rhino is one of 2 rhino species found in Africa and the second largest land mammal on Earth. Despite its name, rhino is not actually white at all. Its skin is red. There are many different theories as to what the term wide mouth and upper lip. Their impressive horns are made from epinephrine, which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails, and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
Oh my god, look at it! I had a dream about this place.
Researchers, our satellites are showing that something is obstructing the route.
We've had a drink. Take an alternative route for this amazing cave we've discovered. We've been taking research samples inside this magical place.
Wow!
We've never seen anything like it before.
Oh, we're right by the single window, I think. The what, look? Don't drop your bag out. Don't drop your bag out. It has to.
Can you hear us?
We lost you for a moment.
Welcome back, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed travelling through Safari and you were lucky enough to see some of our magnificent animals. Don't forget to support Chessington Conservation to help protect our beautiful animals in the wild too.
Now please remain fully seated until you're back at base.